How to use Duolingo easy steps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Duolingo in easy steps, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically use Duolingo, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Duolingo application here. Then once you launch the Duolingo app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now, first of all, make sure that you're signed in. If you want to learn a language, when you're on the home page, you'll find the flag icon where you can just tap on the course option, and then you'll be able to simply select the language that you would like to learn. If you come to the second tab, you'll be able to see the progress of the current language that you're learning. The third tab, which looks like this, will ask you to finish the lessons to compete on leaderboard. The next icon here is basically just your profile settings, your avatar, your settings, your friends, your statistics, your achievements, and everything else that you have here. If you look at the gear icon from the top right, you'll have some of your account settings such as the email, password, and so on. And after that, if you also just come to this, you will be able to see your quests and your badges and the rewards that you might have. Then the final option here is just all about the notifications that you might get from Duolingo. To give you a context, this is how you can use Duolingo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.